Raj Regmi, former Chairman of Council of Ministers and former Chief Justice of Nepal. I am very glad to note that We Care for Humanity WCH, one of the leading humanitarian organizations in the world, is organizing the 4th Annual Global Official of Dignity Awards and 3rd Annual WCH Humanitarian Summit in United Nations Headquarters, New York, USA from 17 to 19 August 2016. In the existing world, human endeavors have resulted great numbers of progresses. However, at the same parallel, the world is witnessing sufferings and pains. Despite several attempts to make this world a happy home to everyone, serious challenges like war, famine, conflicts, poverty, exploitation, human rights abuses, natural calamities, disasters, etc. have become too rampant that these problems are trying to put our progresses in peril. In such unfortunate situation, if there is any panacea to the sufferings of this world, that is the service of humanity. It is because human beings themselves are the best solution to the troubles aroused in this universe. Hence, the concept of benevolence and service above self should be the foundation principle of humanitarian works. In this mission, the words and deeds of WCH have always remained exemplary to every one of us. For me, it is indeed a matter of great satisfaction to be familiar with WCH, which has been tirelessly dedicating to the sense of humanity since its establishment. I would like to extend congratulations to WCH, its founder Princess Maria, and all those who have been a part of it. I also extend sincere appreciation to WCH family for all inspirational activities and express best wishes for every success in future. Through this message, I would like to call upon all humanity lovers, peace workers, social activists, and interested individuals and organizations to join 4th Annual Global Official of Dignity Awards and 3rd Annual WCH Humanitarian Summit being held in United Nations premises in New York from 17 to 19 August 2016. I believe that our expressed solidarity for peace and humanity in this August in New York will motivate and inspire more people for the service of humanity in the days to come. Thank you.